Newscast with a news alert coming in, as according to sources, the coronavirus vaccine will be first given to about 10 million health workers in India. The news comes at a time when countries across the world are rushing to begin mass vaccination. Now, sources have also said that India will then vaccinate over 20 million frontline workers. According to sources, the information was presented by India's Health Ministry at an all-party meeting today, which was chaired by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. According to sources, the ministry said that COVID-19 vaccine will be first given to about 1 crore health workers, including doctors and nurses. This is the latest that we are bringing to you. Sources have also confirmed that India will then vaccinate over 20 million frontline workers. But first up will be the vaccination of 10 million health workers in India. That will, of course, include nurses and doctors. And this news, of course, comes at a time when across the entire world, countries are rushing to start mass vaccination. To begin with, it was the UK and then Russia. And now today, Prime Minister Modi has also made crucial announcements about the vaccine rollout strategy at a high-level meeting. Bangladesh has started transferring thousands of Rohingya refugees to a low-lying island of Bhashan Char. A first group of more than 1,500 Rohingya refugees left on a Bangladeshi naval vessel in the port of Chittagong for the trip to Bhashan Char, or floating island. Now, on Thursday, more than 20 buses carrying almost 1,000 people have left camps in Bangladesh and are heading for the port city of Chittagong. The 52 square kilometer island surfaced in the Bay of Bengal just around 20 years ago. The island, which has never been inhabited so far, is flood prone and vulnerable to frequent cyclones. Locals say that high tides flooded the island a few years ago and that cyclones can cause storm surges. But rights groups allege that some of the refugees are being coerced into going. Amnesty International, in a statement, pressed authorities to immediately halt relocation of the refugees. Amnesty International's South Asia campaigner urged an independent assessment of the island's habitability by the UN before the transfer of refugees. However, it must be noted that Bangladesh is currently hosting over 1.1 million Rohingyas and has taken upon itself to settle the refugees amid international concerns. The facilities on Bhashan Char Island were developed by the Bangladesh government to ensure better living for them compared to congested camps in Cox's Bazar. The Bangladesh government, defending their move, says that moving refugees will ease overcrowding in its camps, which are home to more than 1 million Rohingyas. The United Nations, meanwhile, in a statement said that it had been given limited information about the relocations and was not involved in preparations. The UN said that it had not been allowed independently to assess the safety, feasibility and sustainability of the island as a place to live. Bangladesh's Foreign Minister A.K. Abdul Momin dismissed claims by rights groups and said that the facilities on the island were much better than in the camps. He added that the government decided to take around 23,000 families to Bhashan Char voluntarily, as the current camps are very congested. Almost 1 million Rohingya fled Myanmar in 2017 following a military-led crackdown. Most of these Rohingya live in a vast network of camps in Bangladesh. For more details on this news story, Lakmeena Jasmine Soma gets us a ground zero report straight from Bangladesh.
I'm now at Chittagong Boat Club, which is 160 kilometers away from Cox's Bazar Rohingya camp. 8 naval ships have been prepared for them to transfer, and around 1,700 Rohingyas are taken to the Bhashan Char with these ships.